Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your Apple ID is not eligible to use this application at this time. If you are using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and you are trying to log in using your Apple ID in any website or any app, but you're facing this type issue that your Apple ID is not eligible to use this application at the time, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So the very first step is that you have to disconnect with your VPN connection. If you are having connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. Open settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to disconnect with your VPN. And after doing that, you will also have to select the country or region in which you are living. Select language and region, select region, and from here you just have to select your own country or region. Or if you're living in any state or any country or region in which the website or the app is not available, so you can also try a different country. For example, I recommend to use United States or United Kingdom. And once you have selected, you have to also choose same for your Apple ID. Tap on here, open your App Store, then tap on your profile up in the top right corner. Tap on your Apple ID from here. Verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. And here, once you have signed in or logged into your Apple ID, you just have to select the country or region option and then select the same country or region which you have just selected for your iPhone. And once you have selected, it will almost fix your issue. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so it means that your Apple ID is based on your phone number. There's no any primary Gmail address connected, so you have to try to add a Gmail or mail address in your Apple ID. So tap on your Apple ID from here and then select sign in and security, and then you'll find your phone number or email address which you have added to your Apple ID. Tap on add email or phone number from here. Then select add existed email address. If you have any existing email address, you can easily use this. Open the first option from here and then enter your email address, and then you have to verify your email address. And once you have verified, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.